Yes. Now, let us take some problem from exercise, mostly 3.3. Exercise number 3.3. Let us see problems from the exercise. First one, prove that 3 sin pi by 6 radians into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. Answer is 1. From the exercise, write it carefully. Prove that, okay, left hand side equal to 3 sin pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 equal to, mostly this one is angle less than 362 pi. You can straight away write the values. 3 into sin pi by 6 means 30 degree. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Go back to the chart. Pi by 3, 60 degree. Secant 60, 2. Open the chart. See the chart and then work out the problem. Minus 4 into pi by 6, or let me write it full. 4 sin 30 into 5, 150 degree. Cot, it is just 45. So here 2 to cancel. 3 minus 4 into, this is actually allied angle. So one more step is needed here. 180 minus 30, cot 45 once again 1. 3 minus 4 into second quadrant sin positive, sin remains the same. Remember, it is not plus, into. I have written the sign of this function into 1. 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1, leave it. 3 minus 2, answer is 1, which is the required right hand side. One more. Show that, careful, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Answer should be 10 given. Left hand side equal to 2 sin square 3 pi by 4, 2 cos square pi by 4, 2 secant square pi by 3 equal to, let me convert it into degree, it is easy. 2 sin square 45 into 3, 135. 2 cos square 45. 2 secant square 60. Only this one is the allied angle. Others are standard angles. So let me do here. Sin 135 is sin of 180 minus 45 plus second quadrant sin 45, or it is 1 by root 2. Right? So 2 into sin 135 is calculated, 1 by root 2, its square. 2 cos 45 already known, 1 by root 2 square. Secant 62 square. Write carefully, don't make any mistake, because in the video these things are not so clear because it comes to be very small letters there. So write carefully. Equal to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 4. 1. 1. 8. Answer is 10. Write carefully. Don't make any mistake. Problems from the exercise. Okay, shall I take another third one? Problem number 3. Third one. Show that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y equal to cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. Careful, very lengthy problem. But one particular formula you can remember this: cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y. Cos x cos y sin of x plus y is the answer here. It is not cos. See, cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y sin of. Okay. Yes, sin of x plus y. You know the formula cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Derivation. Go back to the derivation of this formula. Now what I am doing is left hand side cos x cos y. Let me write the same formula once again. Okay. Cos, instead of x I have written a, cos b, this one, minus sin a, sin b. This one, in order to make it understand it better, same formula is written, cos of a plus b, correct? Correct, no? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b equal to cos of a plus b. Now, in the place of a, I am writing pi by 4 minus x. In the place of b, I am writing pi by 4 minus y. Write the same formula once again. Cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y equal to, according to this formula, cos of A is pi by 4 minus x plus B is pi by 4 minus y. Or it is cos of pi by 4, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2, 45 plus 45, 90, minus x minus y. Or it is cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. But remember, allied angle formula, cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Go through the solution once again. Work out it twice or thrice. Same formula. A is taken as pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus y. So, left hand side is written as it is. Itself is the given one. Right hand side actually it is cos of A plus B. A is this one, B is this. When you add this, you get this. Allied angle formula gives you the answer sin of x plus y. Problem number next, fourth one. Show that cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x equal to root 2 cos x. Careful. Left hand side, cos of pi by 4 plus x, cos of pi by 4 minus x. Use the formula cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Use these two formula. Cos of x plus y. This is cos of x minus y over. Equal to cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x. Got it? In the place of x write pi by 4. In the place of y write x. Expansion of this one is over. Plus cos pi by 4 cos x plus sin pi by 4 sin x equal to 1 by root 2 because cos 45 cos x 1 by root 2 sin x 1 by root 2 cos x 1 by root 2 sin x. Wherever you have sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, write its value. Immediately 1 by root 2 cos x, 1 by root 2 cos x, not that, 1 by root 2, which one? Sin x. 1 by root 2 sin x, cancel with 1 by root 2 sin x. Minus, this is plus. But 1 by root 2 cos x, there are 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x. X plus x, 2x. But this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So that 1 root 2 can be cancelled. Final answer is root 2 cos x. See the method clearly. Problem from the exercise. Right? Problem number 5. Show that cos pi plus x, cos minus x, sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x. Answer is cot square x. Problems from the exercise. So try to work out them independently. Okay. Left hand side equal to cos pi plus x into cos of minus x sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x equal to allied angle. See the step carefully. Pi plus x is in the standard form. Pi plus x more than 180, third quadrant, cos is minus. Cos of 180, no change in the function. Cos of minus x is cos x, we have the formula. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Divided by second quadrant, sin positive, sin remains same. Second quadrant, more than 90, second quadrant, cos is negative, but cos changes to sin. Simplification is numerator minus cos square x, denominator minus sin square x. Minus minus cancels, cos by sin is cot, so it is cot square x. Over. Shall I take problem number 6? Show that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, careful, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Answer is 1. Careful. From the exercise problem, purely allied angle. Left hand side equal to cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, cot 2 pi plus x equal to 3 pi by 2, 270. 270 plus fourth quadrant cos is positive. Since it is 270, it becomes a sin x. Or let me put the bracket, no problem. Into this one. (360) plus first quadrant, all positive. cos remains same. Cos remains same. 270 minus third quadrant cot positive. 270 function changes tan. Plus first quadrant all positive, cot remains same. Equal to sin x into cos x tan x means sin x by cos x, cos x by sin x. Sin x cos x into sin x by cos x. Cos x cancels. Or let me write full step. Cos x sin x by cos x plus sin x cos x cos x by sin x. Remove the bracket. Cos x cancels. Sin square x. Sin x cancels. Cos square x 1. Right hand side. Sin square x plus cos square x, answer always 1. See the problem once again. Again textbook problem. Exercise problem. Important. Over. Shall I proceed for the next problem? 7th one. Show that sin n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x into cos n plus 2x. Answer is cos x. Left hand side is sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x equal to shall I write this one first? Cos n plus 1 not necessary, but in order to make you to understand it better, I am writing cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x. That's all. Just interchanging the terms. Why it is written like that? Just recall this formula. Cos A, cos B, cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Instead of writing x and y, I have taken A and B. Because x is already there, no? In order to avoid the confusion, I have taken A and B. Actually, I have written the formula cos x, cos y, like that. Anyway, it is the formula for cos of A minus B. Remember this. It is the formula for cos A minus B. Just similar, see, sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B type. So I can write this one as equal to this one, cos A, here, no? Cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. Is cos of A, n plus 1 x minus B, minus n plus 2 x. A is n plus 1 into x, B is n plus 2 into x. Or it is cos of nx plus x minus nx, removing the bracket, minus 2x. Remove the bracket and write one more step. X into n, nx, x into 1, x into 2 minus x into minus n minus nx, x into minus 2 minus 2x. But nx cancels. So, cos of x minus 2x minus x. Remember, cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Right hand side. Right hand side. Note the solution carefully. Let me give some problem as homework. 7 over 8 homework. 8th problem. Show that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4, answer is minus half. Do it carefully. Minus half. 9th problem. Show that cos pi plus x, cos minus x, cos of minus x divided by secant 3 pi by 2 plus x into secant pi by 2 minus x. Answer is minus sin square x cos square x. Just try and obtain the answer. Let me verify once again. Cos pi plus x, cos of minus x. Secant 3 pi by 2 plus x, secant pi by 2 minus. Answer is this. And the last homework is 10th one. Show that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Answer is minus root 2 sin x. These are the 3 problems for you to work out at home. Homework. 3 pi by 4 plus x, 3 pi by 4 minus x. Answer minus root 2 sin x. Let me verify again and again. Secant, cos, correct. Sin square pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4, all are squares, minus half. Okay, try to work out these problems.